Stop drawing bananas. Instead, use bananas as a way to explore. That's a completely different mindset. Now, you're not trying to get it right. You're trying to discover new ways to express yourself. And that's what leads to loose, expressive work. That's where your style starts to show up. You'll start to discover mediums you enjoy, combinations that actually work, even crazy color choices that somehow come together. Why? Because now you're in control. You're not stuck following rigid rules or trying to force a result. So peel it back, let go of the pressure, get away from tight, predictable art, and just go bananas. Have fun with it, because these drawings, these sketches, these sessions, they don't need to mean anything right now. The work you're doing today is building something for the future, something that's uniquely yours. Enjoy the process and follow for more. Thanks for watching.